that suffered sexual assault, experienced depression and suicidal ideation, 50% attempted.
Okay, so what's going on is I'm wondering why it keep cutting me off. I don't have enough. I got to delete some stuff off my phone. I got too much stuff on. I don't have enough space, so it cuts me off. I was wondering why it kept doing that. So yeah, it cut me off. So I'm going to delete some stuff, and I will be back for the finished product of this is Jamaican stewed chicken, okay? So I don't know if that's going to post or not. It maybe on somebody else's page, but I think I lost my original on here. So I will post up the finished product, okay?